Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. So, you ever wonder how you're going to clamp something in the vise with a single center screw when you have to clamp it out here because there's no place else that you can clamp it? And what happens is it pinches here and the wood will move. What that's called is racking. Your vise is racking. Well, have another scrap piece of wood the same size, put it in, put your workpiece in, clamp it up. Now it doesn't go anywhere. I know they make sets of shims that you can put in to pick up this racking. You can also make them yourself. Oftentimes, I find it far easier and far more convenient to just have a scrap off of the work that you're working with and just drop it in the vise. Does that make sense? Let me know what you think. Just a quick shop tip. I hope this was helpful to somebody. You probably already knew it, but I just thought I'd get it out there. Real quick one. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.